Hello and welcome to the Agent Survival Guide podcast. This is our new series, Agent Apps. I'm your host, Tina Lamoureux. This new series introduces you to apps that will make daily life and your business run smoother. From fitness, travel, to personal planners, and more, we've tested them all. The life of an insurance agent can get pretty hectic. A great thing about it is being able to make your own schedule, but you still need to make time for the important things, like loved ones and dinner. Planning and cooking dinner might seem like the last thing you want to do after a long day. There are meal kit delivery services like HelloFresh and Blue Apron, but those can get pretty pricey, especially if you have a bigger household or want more variety. I found some apps that offer many of the benefits of these services without paying for weekly subscriptions or worrying about pausing or canceling them. The meal planning app Whisk offers recipes, instructions, and auto-generated shopping lists to make mealtime in your house less stressful. Whisk has many recipe categories, like recipes for picky eaters, food by country, or diet restriction. Most of these recipes come from outside websites. You can add recipes from websites and look at their large library of recipes uploaded by other users. You're able to see other users' recipes and comment and share your own tips and tricks from the kitchen. Once you choose a recipe, you can add all of the ingredients, or just the ones you need, to a shopping list. Once you have the shopping list, you can choose to buy ingredients for yourself in the store using the list how you would a normal shopping list. Or click a button to create an online delivery or pickup order from a store near you. Places like Walmart, Target, or Instacart. The only downside of this is they don't offer many store options. So if you prefer other grocery stores to these, you can always go shopping yourself. They're building a Trader Joe's near me, so I'm definitely doing my weekly shopping there when it's open. Another meal planning app is Yummly. This is a paid app. It's $2.49 a month with a 30-day free trial. It has similar dynamics to Whisk, recipes, community, and shopping lists, but the standout feature is a focus on cooking instructions and original recipes. Experts on the app create recipes, unlike Whisk, which pulls from the web. You can watch step-by-step videos of how to create the recipes. This is great for beginner cooks or if you want to up your chef game. There are even pro collections of recipes you can whip your way through. One that caught our eye was Instagram-worthy baking, which definitely seems worth a try. Both Whisk and Yummly are available for iOS and Android. And that's all the apps for today. Both are linked in our episode notes. We hope you check out the apps we feature and that they help you get organized and thriving in 2022. Thank you for your continued support, and thank you for listening. We'll see you next episode.